My dear viewers, as someone who once lived in Grand Isle, Maine, across the river from the St. John River from New Brunswick, and as someone who from 2004 until 2012 went to Edmonton, New Brunswick for dinner once a week, I don't want to forget the sound of Canadian French. So to watch the news in French, you can go to ec.radio-canada-ca/info/on-continue, and you're going to see on the right side of the screen on direct. You want to click on that, and then you're going to get all these pictures of different types of channels on Radio Canada. You want to go to EC Air Day E, and you're going to see a little arrow here. You want to click that. And right now we have to put up with a commercial, but then after this you'll be able to see news in Canadian French. You could probably compare this maybe to the CNN of French Canada.